PointPay is a UK regulated company that has been operating since 2018. PointPay has already created all-in-one cryptocurrency ecosystem of 5 different products. The one-stop fintech platform offers a full range of the financial services within its already launched products. And the products are PointPay Blockchain, PointPay Crypto Exchange, PointPay Crypto Wallet, PointPay Payment System, and PointPay Token PXP. And in this video, I will elaborate all the things about the PXP token. What is it all about?
Feel uninvited.
Now, basically, the PXP is the main payment instrument within the ecosystem, and you can also call the PXP token same like you can say the fuel for the entire platform of the PointPay. PXP token enables the traders to cut the taker fee and the maker fee dynamically basing on the number of tokens placed on the account of PointPay Crypto Exchange, as well as earn higher yields on the PointPay blockchain based bank on the deposits placed in the token. And secondly, it is, you can say, a conception of the project. Since the PointPay is the whole ecosystem, just one account needed to start using all the PointPay products. And PointPay is highly rated by the world leading crypto rating agencies like the ICO Bench, ICO Marks, ICO Top, all the things. You can check it out on the main platform. Now it's the time about the pre-sale. Basically, at this time you have the chance to buy the PXP token directly from the pre-sale, and it is entirely very easy, and the price of one token is entirely low. For example, if you are going to invest $100 at this time in PXP token, definitely it will give you return up to 20x in near future. So definitely the entire idea, and also the team is developing, and also they developed a number of things. Here you can see the basic thing about the exchange PointPay.io. The team of the PointPay and also the team of the PXP token, they developed number of things like the exchange, like you can say the second thing is the crypto payments, and the best part which I am going to mention you here, that is basically the PXP token. For example, if you want to use any type of the usage of the PointPay or any type of thing on the PointPay platform, you can easily utilize it. For example, if you want to trade anything on the PointPay exchange, then if you have some PXP tokens, then definitely they are not going to cut a number of fee from you. So it is entirely very easy for you to utilize this token because they have number of utilities at this time. Now the best part about the PointPay blockchain based bank being the first in the world enables the clients to open the crypto checking and crypto savings account. These accounts earn daily compound interest on their holdings in Bitcoin 6.1%, dollar stablecoin USDT 8%, Ethereum 4.6%, and the tokenized gold 5%, and the PointPay token PXP 15%. So right now they are offering number of things, and secondly, the PointPay crypto exchange has the custom design layout for the traders, simplified cryptocurrency conversion options, and some video tutorials are over there, so you can check the entire thing. Now the last thing is PointPay Crypto Wallet is designed for the daily use by monitoring the cryptocurrency the price changes in the customer's portfolio, as well as conveniently sending the crypto via email address. So they are offering new things, so definitely it will reach to next place. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, and you can easily participate in the pre-sale. And as I'm telling you that if you are going to invest only $100 in this project, definitely it will give you some good profit in near future. Thanks a lot.